This is how you're going to create or sign up for Salesforce Developer Account. So a Salesforce Developer Account is free and gives you a full environment to learn and build. So first step is you're going to head over to the sign up page. You're going to head over to developer.salesforce.com/developer legacy/sign up. Now from here, you're just going to look for the sign up or get started for free button, but when you actually go to the exact sign up page, you don't have to do that. So you can skip that step if you do this or you enter this into your address bar. Now you're going to fill out the form for this one. So you will need to provide your name, your first name, last name, email, your role, company, country and region, your postal code as well, and your username. So for this one, I'm just going to try and then fill out all of these ones. I'm going to also enter my role right here. And then from your username, you can just invent anything that you want. It doesn't have to be legit. So it doesn't have to be a legit email address. As it says here, it must be unique and cannot be associated with another Salesforce login credential. Now from here, you're going to click on agree to main services agreement, and then you're going to click on I'm not a robot. Now after that, you're going to just click on sign me up. Don't forget to also enter your company name. So for this one, I'm just going to enter my company name, and then after that, you're going to again click on sign me up. Now you're just gonna have to wait for this to process and for the Salesforce account to actually create your account. Now after this, the developer is going to email you a verification link. So what you're going to do is you're going to verify, and then you're just going to set your password. So again, click the link in your email that they will send to verify your account, and then set your password. So you now have to access to your free Developer Edition environment. So as you can see here, we just have to check our email verification account. You're going to have to click on verify from your Gmail, and then that's it. You have now signed up to a Salesforce Developer Account. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.